Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background noise and keyboard noise from this to this in just a simple steps. So here I'm going to try typing and let me tell me if you hear a difference. As you see, it's you don't hear almost anything. And yeah, so let's get started. So this video helps you like and subscribe. So first of all, what you need to do is make sure you have connected your microphone and like add all the accessories. It's really simple. And if you want the simplest way, just put your keyboard there. But enough talking, let's show you the real method. What you do is now is just click on these three dots here. Then what I want you to do is click on filters here, as you see. And it should look something like this for you, as you see here. It's your gain, like how much it gains your microphone. So first of all, I recommend making it lowering if it's a bit too loud. As that's the first improvement. Then what you can do is just click on plus, then click on noise gate, and then you can play and specify like background noise help 1. It's just an example, and you can play with it around. And then the second step is just click on plus and then click on noise suppression here. And you can type it here, keyboard background noise, because this stops if it's below something. And yeah, as you see here, now my voice has 10x improved. So yeah, if this video has helped you, like and subscribe, it really supports the channel.